Hello everyone and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. My name is Max Kavanaugh and today we're taking a look at a beautiful boat that's right behind me. It's a 2023 Harris 250 Solstice dual console, which is a little bit different than just the 250 Solstice because it has a windshield that comes all the way across from the driver's side to the passenger side. It is a dual console, meaning that it has two captain's chairs inside, and we'll check that out in just a second. But we're starting off on the exterior like we do on all of our boats, and it has a beautiful white with that matte black powder coated fence finish. It looks so sharp, looks really good. And as we work our way back, we'll look at the tower. It's got this beautiful manual tower with an integrated bimini top, and on that tower is a tow point, so you can tow a wakeboarder from up there as well, which is cool. Working our way back, it has an extended platform back here, so we have all this extra space around the motor. Might make it easier to get onto a dock or get from a dock to the platform here, or maybe you're just hanging out and you're anchored and you're jumping off from this. Your kids are having fun, which is really cool. So it's a nice feature. It has a transom, stereo remote control back here. Change your volume, change your song from there. Two speakers back here. Stainless steel flip-up cleats, which are really nice. Fold them back down, won't be stubbing your toes. I'm sure everybody has maybe experienced that in their boating lifetime. Gas fill located right here, easy access. Now, this 250 Solstice dual console is optioned with the Mercury 350 horsepower Verado outboard engine, which is plenty of power for this boat. Now, this is a tri-tune, so it has a full-length middle tune as well. And this is getting this boat up on the plane quickly and giving you a lot of power for water sports activities like wakeboarding, skiing, and also tubing too. So great power plant. You will be blessed to have it. Now, let's go take a peek at the interior of this 250 Solstice dual console. All right, we are on board the 250 Solstice dual console, and I'll point out right away the beautiful chestnut brown interior color. This is the pillow top furniture, so you have a little bit of added bolstering, more cushioning. It's more plush, so it feels really good. You can see the white accents. It looks really good. Up in the bow, you have these nice long seats. This is the CWDH layout that this particular boat has, which is a center walk-through dual helm seat. So you have two captain's chairs, and on the dual console boat, you'll see that the windshield goes from the captain's chair all the way to the passenger side with a nice fiberglass casing down below. So there's more versatility with that. You have more storage options, which is cool. I'll show you that here in a second. Up in the front, two JL speakers. You have a lot of cup holders. You'll have USB ports on each side to charge your phones, keep your phones charged. You have a nice ski locker here, so you can store things in the middle tune, which is great. More storage. Underneath all these seats is storage up here. And I'll show you, pop out just like that, all on hinges, which is great. As we work our way back here, I'll move towards the passenger side. And as I pointed out, you have this nice fiberglass casing here with the windshield. You have a nice grab handle for the passenger, a stereo remote that you can change the song, adjust the volume if you want to. A nice glove box here, and I'll actually show you the glove box, because there is some USB ports in there, which is cool. Added benefit there. And then again, the captain's chair, it's the high back, so there's more support for your passenger. And again, the captain also has the high back too, so a lot of support, great bolstering, very comfortable chairs. Moving to the helm here, check it out. You have your traditional gauges, you have your SIMRAD screen offset right here. You can have engine information, you can have your charts popped up right here. It's just a wealth of information. Now, you have your JL audio head unit right here, so you can control your audio. Bluetooth is what most people use, and that's what most people connect to with this system. Now look at the steering wheel. Very well built. I would say overbuilt, which is a great thing. It does have tilting capabilities, so you can get it in the right position for you. You have your physical buttons with your key right here. Okay, so moving down to the right here, you have your throttle. It is in the right position, very perfect. The ergonomics are great. Now it is digital shifting, so it's extremely smooth to shift in and out of gear, which is really, really nice. I think anybody would truly enjoy it. Moving to the back, again, it has that center walk-through layout, so it's all the way back. You can walk all the way out. You'll have seating on each side here. There's armrests that come down too, which is great. Lots of options for your passengers. Now on this side here, on the port side, there is batteries underneath these seats. That's where they're located. On this side, this is all storage again, so these lift up on hinges. You have 3 cup holders on each side, 6 in total. 1 speaker, 2 speakers, and then there's also 2 more speakers in the cockpit here and a subwoofer back there. So the audio experience is going to be incredible for you and your passengers. Now walking back here, there is a stainless steel gate, lifts up. You can close it off. So if you have small ones, little ones that you want to keep safe and you don't want to have them be by the motor, you can definitely block them off. And that closes right back down. Now, it also has a ski pylon. Now the ski pylon can be used to tow a tuber, a skier, a wakeboarder, or again, the wakeboarder could be towed from the tow point up on top of the tower. So a lot of versatility in this 250 Solstice dual console. And that's really it. If you guys have any questions on this boat, feel free to give us a call or come stop by our MarineMax Rogers location and check this boat out. We'd be glad to help you out. Thank you.